Introducing the Enforcer Landing Gear Lock from Transport Security. Thieves are after your cargo, and if given the opportunity, they will take the entire trailer. The landing gear lock prevents just that. This heavy-gauge, high-carbon steel lockbox covers and secures the landing gear handle, stopping it from being raised or lowered when locked. When paired with the ABLOY 341-25 padlock, the landing gear handle is fully immobilized, helping prevent unauthorized trailer movement and protecting your cargo. Because the padlock sits on the inside of the steel enclosure, it is shielded from cutting, prying, and smashing tools. This placement significantly reduces exposure to physical attack. The landing gear lock is compact and portable, making it ideal for use by drivers and other authorized users. It is commonly used in yards, drop lots, retail locations, overflow areas, or anywhere trailers are left unattended. ABLOY padlocks are specifically built with disc technology tailored for the demanding supply chain environment. They feature high-quality materials that stand up to physical attack, including stainless steel ball bearings, a hardened steel body, and a case-hardened boron steel shackle. Unlike competitor locks, which use springs and pins prone to freezing and jamming, ABLOY padlocks consistently deliver reliable performance. Offering up to 21,000 pounds of pull resistance, ABLOY padlocks are engineered for rugged conditions. Whether facing sleet, ice, or road grime, these locks stay operational in all weather. They won't freeze and they won't fail. Easy to install and built for long service life, the Enforcer Landing Gear Lock is a simple, effective way to secure dropped trailers and reduce the risk of full trailer theft. Protect your equipment, protect your cargo, secure your fleet with the Enforcer line from Transport Security.